Hello and welcome. I'm Josephine, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple and beautiful title slide that you can use for your next presentation using the Morph transition. So here we have our first slide, Paris, and as we move to the next slide, wow, here we have a beautiful Paris. Stay tuned and let's get started. On a blank slide, go to Insert an image of your choice. In my case, I want to insert Paris. Okay, my image is small, but I'm going to drag it to be large enough to cover the slide. Good. And go to Insert again. Go to Shapes and choose a rectangle and draw it to cover the slide as well. Go to Shape Format. On Shape Fill, change the color. And insert text. And write your title there. Change the font and the font size. I'm using 400 for the font size. Readjust your text to fit into the middle of the slide. Change the font color to white. Select the rectangle and the text. Go to Format Shapes and go to Mesh Shapes and select Subtract. Good. Then duplicate this slide. And on the second slide, we are going to be adjusting this rectangle to a point that the image that is covering the text here is small, is fitting inside one of these letters here. So I'm going to adjust it so that it fits inside one of the letters of the Paris. So we do this by dragging the edges of the rectangle. Keep adjusting and dragging it till it fits. Good. So I've adjusted it and it has fitted inside. As you can see, it has fit inside one of the letters of the Paris, which is R. Then I'll leave it like that, and I'll click on the slide and go to Transitions and choose Morph Transition. Then I'll go to Duration and change it to 10 seconds. Let's put our slide on slideshow. So here we have our first slide, Paris. And as we move to the next slide, wow, here we have a beautiful Paris. So yeah, it's a very simple and creative title slide that you can use for your next presentation. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe and click on the like button. Thank you.